TSP to Gold IRA with $150,000 investment strategies. Transitioning your TSP into a Gold IRA can be a wise move for diversifying and preserving your retirement savings. Here are 10 straightforward strategies for rolling over a $150,000 TSP investment. 1. Analyze the gold market. Start with a thorough analysis of gold price trends and economic factors. This knowledge helps in making informed decisions. 2. Choose a reputable custodian. Select a trusted custodian to handle your Gold IRA. They ensure compliance and secure storage of your gold assets. 3. Diversify within Gold IRA. Invest in physical gold, gold ETFs, and mining stocks to spread risk and potentially enhance returns. 4. Evaluate costs. Review the fee structure for account setup, maintenance, storage, and transactions. Transparent costs prevent unexpected financial burdens. 5. Allocate funds strategically. Distribute your $150,000 across different gold assets for balanced growth and risk reduction. 6. Monitor economic indicators. Keep an eye on inflation, interest rates, and currency fluctuations as they impact gold prices. 7. Implement risk management. Use stop-loss orders, hedging strategies, and regular portfolio reviews to protect your investment. 8. Understand tax implications. Consult a tax advisor to navigate the tax aspects of a TSP Gold IRA rollover and optimize tax benefits. 9. Adopt a long-term view. Be patient and hold your investment long-term, as gold is a reliable store of value over time. 10. Continuous education. Stay informed about the gold market and financial trends to adapt your strategies effectively. By following these strategies, you can effectively manage your $150,000 TSP Gold IRA rollover, safeguard your wealth, and ensure a secure retirement. Free Gold IRA Guide. Learn about how to secure your retirement with gold investment. Download your free Gold IRA Guide now. Click the link below in the description to get it. Thanks for watching. Please like, share and subscribe.